Okay, in that case, we're gonna talk about the 4-axis again, but in that case, I'm not gonna intend to use the continuous 4-axis. In that case, I created my 4-axis positioning and like this. So in that perspective, I need to create my normal toolpath. As you can see that I created, and by selecting that geometry, that is my contour toolpath, and only selecting 100 diameter tool and cut parameters, compensation type calculated by computer, and my compensation direction on the left side. So I created my toolpath according to my curve position. I don't care about the normal VCS, so I just want to focusing on my geometry, selected geometry. So according to my selecting geometry, my tool be, and according to that geometry, the height 10 millimeters and 5 millimeters, and my top of stock can be 0. So after that, in that case, of course, I can only create my toolpath like this. That is the normal toolpath, as you know that is the 2D toolpath. So that's it. So where is the 4-axis? So you can rotate your toolpath by using rotation options. That is our rotation options. In rotation options, of course, you need to select your type. That is my rotation type. After that, I need to select my toolpath. So after that, you need to turn back the rotation properties. So I need to select my rotation plane. That's my rotation plane on the right side. So that is my number of rotation toolpath. So that's my start angle, and that's my incremental angle. So that's it. I created my toolpath, and after that I can rotate it according to our rotation plane and instances, and of course start angle and edit angle. So in that case, of course, you also need to be careful about the operation type and geometry and method of tool plane and include origin. Okay, you need also select that one. So after that selection, as you can see that I created my toolpath. After that, I can rotate it like this. Okay, and of course after that I can create my another toolpath like that slot. That's my slot toolpath. Also in that case, I selected linking parameters as an incremental. Of course, I need to select my depth cut and cut parameters. So that's the same as you know. You learn that in 2D toolpath options. After that, of course, I can select rotary axis, no rotary axis. So rotation type can be no rotation. After that, I can select the transform rotate toolpath options for that one. So in that case, I need to select third operations. After that, I need to, of course, write to the same perspective, right C plane. So that's it. I can rotate my toolpath and like this. As you can see that my retract is not enough. So I need to change and the main, of course, main one, because I only rotate it. Okay, I'm gonna click on that so I can see it like this. Okay, I think that's enough right now. Okay, maybe I can change it a little bit more. I can write 35 millimeters. I'm gonna click on that. Okay, that's it. I can click on that one. Okay, that is the main perspective to positioning 4-axis toolpath. Okay, in that case, of course, I can also create my 3D operations like this. That's my 3D toolpath. I can create my 3D toolpath for that chamfer. That's my 3D toolpath, like this. That is the contour toolpath, of course, as you know that. That's my tool. That's my incremental, of course. That is quite important in 4-axis positioning toolpath, incremental and incremental. And that is my step down options. That's my cutting direction and other stuff. So that's it. After that, I need to also select transform and rotate properties. And transform and rotate properties, I can see the rotation, tool plane, include origin, geometry, and operation type. Of course, I need to write my rotation properties by using the rotation plane, and I need to write my number of toolpath. That is my start angle, that is my edit angle to create my toolpath, and that's it. Of course, and okay, let me show you how can I select the rotation and rotate and transform option. I just need to click on right mouse button, and after that I need to select and transform options from here. That is transform options. It is the same. You just need to select your operations like this. That's my operation. After that, that is the same. It's my rotation angle, right plane, and the other stuff. So that's it. Okay, that is the fourth axis positioning toolpath operations. Okay, that's it. And okay, don't forget to and use the drive surface and of course the boundary surface like this. And that is the only the 3D toolpath operation stuff. So I just wanna focusing on that transform options in that toolpath. So that's it.